Looking for a healthy chocolate cake without compromising on taste? Today we are sharing 2 easy and wholesome chocolate cake recipes made with whole wheat flour, perfect for guilt-free indulgence. We'll first start with low-fat gluten-free chocolate cake. For this, in a blender jar, add ripe bananas, eggs, brown sugar, cocoa powder, rolled oats, baking soda, oil, vanilla essence and cold water. Now blend everything into a smooth, lump-free batter. Now take a baking tray, grease it lightly with oil and line it with parchment paper. Now dust some cocoa powder inside and carefully pour in the prepared batter. Now gently tap the tin a couple of times on the counter to release any trapped air. Now sprinkle a generous amount of choco chips on top. Now bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Once done, take it out and let it cool completely. Now carefully demold the cake and finish it off by dusting some powdered sugar on top. And just like that, your low-fat, gluten-free chocolate cake is ready to enjoy. Then let's move on to whole wheat chocolate beetroot cake recipe. For this, in a small bowl, mix vinegar with milk and keep it aside. This will create a soft buttermilk-like texture. In another bowl, sift together whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Keep it aside. Now in a separate bowl, mix oil and jaggery powder. Now add the prepared milk mixture, water and a splash of vanilla essence. Now mix everything well. Next, add finely grated beetroot and combine everything using a spatula. Gradually add the dry ingredients in batches. Using the cut and fold method, gently mix until the batter is smooth. Now pour the batter into a greased cake tin and bake for 30 minutes. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven, let it cool and enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee. You can also add your favorite frosting on top. Here, a cream cheese glaze adds the perfect finishing touch. And that's how you make 2 delicious, healthy chocolate cakes using whole wheat flour. Perfect for when you're craving something sweet but still want to keep it wholesome. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.